How to find restricted messages and restrict or unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now you have to head towards any of the conversation and swipe right to that conversation in this way. With that, you will get the option of More and Archive. Tap on the option More. Now select the option of Restrict. Restricting someone will move the chat out of sight, hide your activity. You can unrestrict at any time. Tap on Restrict. Now where can you find restricted messages? For that, you will need to tap on this horizontal lines. Tap on this settings icon. Now head towards this option of privacy and safety. Now over here you will find this section of who can reach you, and under that you will find the option of restricted accounts. Tap on it. Now over here you will find the restricted conversation. You can unrestrict this person anytime. All you have to do is tap on it, and at the very bottom you will find the option of unrestrict. Tap on it. And with that, I have just unrestricted this person. So this is how you can find restricted messages and restrict or unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.